Installing a new septic tank can be a daunting task, but with the right guidance and preparation, it can be a smooth process. In this video, we will take you through the step-by-step instructions for installing a new septic tank, ensuring the proper functioning of your sewage system and maintaining a healthy environment. Let's get started. Before you begin the installation process, it is important to gather all the necessary tools and materials. These may include a shovel, level, measuring tape, PVC pipes, septic tank, gravel, sand, plumbing fittings, and a septic tank riser. Make sure you have everything on hand before proceeding to the next step. Selecting the proper location for your new septic tank is crucial for its functionality and longevity. Ensure that the area is away from any trees, water sources, or structures that could potentially damage the tank or obstruct its access. Also, consider the required setbacks and local regulations when determining the location. Once you have determined the location, it's time to start excavating the site. Use a shovel or an excavator to dig a hole deep enough to accommodate the septic tank and allow easy access for maintenance. Ensure that the hole is level and smooth, making it easier to install the tank and connect the necessary pipes. Now that the site is prepared, it's time to install the septic tank. Carefully lower the tank into the hole, ensuring that it is level and stable. Use a level to check the tank's position and make any necessary adjustments. Once the tank is in position, connect the inlet and outlet pipes using the appropriate plumbing fittings. With the septic tank securely in place, it's time to backfill the hole with gravel and sand. This will provide support and stability to the tank. Ensure that the backfill is placed evenly around the tank, and use a compactor to tightly pack the material. This will prevent any future settling or damage to the tank. To allow easy access for maintenance and inspection, installing a septic tank riser is essential. Attach the riser to the septic tank using appropriate fittings and secure it firmly. The riser should extend above the ground level for easy accessibility. This will save you time and effort in the future while maintaining your septic system. Once everything is in place, it's important to perform a few final checks and tests. Ensure that all connections are secure and leak-free. Test the system by running water through the pipes and flushing toilets to check for proper flow and drainage. Make any necessary adjustments or repairs before covering the tank with soil. Congratulations! You have successfully installed a new septic tank. By following these step-by-step instructions and ensuring proper maintenance, you have taken the necessary steps towards a functional and efficient sewage system. Remember to consult local regulations and professionals whenever needed. Thank you for watching.